What the heck? Oh, I got it! Oh, it's cold! Dude!
We've arrived at our anchorage for the evening on our first sail across from Tortola over here to Norman. It's just gorgeous waters, snorkel action, delicious foods, and a lovely time aboard this amazing 50-foot Lagoon Catamaran that we're going to be spending the next week on with our family. So, holy smokes, it's quite luxurious, and the weather's fantastic, and I can't wait to just dive straight into the water.
Hi, we're Andrew and Reed, a couple from Colorado who met back in 2008 and have a passion for the outdoors. We go camping and sailing along with our dog Dirk as often as we can. We have a pop-top camper and a small sailboat, but dream of going coastal, buying a larger boat, and sailing around the world. This is our journey. We hope to see you out there.
What if we were on the shore of the sea in tranquility? Let's drink and lose the clothes. I hope you would agree. And what would we find there? Who knows? Smoothscapes, oceans, and no clothes.
Certainly the right temperature, and now it's on the sea and the tides to control us.
This week we do a lot of snorkeling and scuba diving. Spend a lot of time underwater.
With the blue spots.
Oh yeah, those are really pretty.
Or like the magenta ones with like the little yellow striper on them. That it's so shallow here that like the colors are incredible.
Oh yeah.
Turtle. Have a safe trip wherever you're going. Yee. Beautiful.
That's one of my favorite fishes,
Tang?
the blue tang. They're just so amazing. Especially when they're babies, they're cobalt blue.
Yeah. You got over here quick.
Well, I wasn't filming.
Peekaboo.
You're like in a city at night.
It's really comfy.
The dive boat should be here at 9:30 to pick Dreed up, and we will see what the options are in terms of where they could drop them off at the end. Option might be to go out to the Indians for a snorkel.
Yeah, I'd certainly want to go out there.
And there's other snorkeling options other than this bay around in this area as well. So, and we're going to plan to end up on Peter Island tomorrow night.
Hey, you ready to go diving? Buddy check?
seen. Also the largest, what is the little thing that like retreats into its hole that I've ever seen. 2 lobsters. Some really cool cliffs. Heck yeah. Alright. To the boat.
What I do is I come up, so I should say we go around a bit, round, and then back to the boat. If we still got a little bit of air, I'll sometimes do a shallower turn round. There can sometimes be squid hanging out of the reef here, so we'll just see who's around today. Ring, dog, rock, ring. Dog, rock.
Okay. Can you do it one more time?
Ring. Dog. Rock. You said there was an octopus here, didn't you? Yeah. Alright. There's an octopus just ahead of the mooring. We'll see if we can find it, or if he's still there. Usually there's quite a few lobsters, some fishermen haven't made it out yet. Okay, so make sure to defog your mask again, please, guys, and we'll get ready and go. Come over here.
That sounds fun.
What the fuck? Oh, God, it's fine! Oh, it's fine! Oh, it's so big!
No, after dive beers?
Yes, right.
Next week on Going Coastal, we get the sails up, lay out on deck and enjoy a sail, and go to SCUBA Rock where we watch the tarpon feeding.
Let's think of them answers to your favorite show.
guess we're not at anchor. We're on a mooring ball. I lied.
Nah. Oh, good. I just got to my goal of steps.
Have you interviewed it? You fell down like the big doofus you are all alone. Wow.
What is that signal?
I told them if they start talking about work, then I'm gonna look like a banana.
Okay,
we're gonna do the
Shout banana dance. And then we're like, let's not talk about work. We're on vacation.
Right.
Good.
Hey YouTube, don't forget
Don't
to
forget to lightly blow a kiss to that notification bell.
and accidentally nudge up against that like button. You know what? And put in the comments content that you would like to see. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, we've done our part. I'm glad we have that. Yes.
Are we talking to your viewers?
Future viewers.
Future viewers?